How do you get rid of nasolabial folds and laugh lines? Most women over 30, and even earlier, face this problem. Why are nasolabial folds such a big issue? First of all, they reveal your age and can even make you look older. So if you're 40 now and you have deep creases, it adds at least 10 years to your appearance, and aesthetically, it just doesn't look good. So how do you get rid of it? In this video, I'll tell you about the reasons why it appears, and I'll show you a secret technique that will help you get rid of it quickly. Before we start, please like and subscribe, because it helps me promote these videos so that as many people as possible can see them. By doing this, you're doing a good deed. Thank you. So what are the real causes of the nasolabial fold? Most people think it's just age-related changes in the skin. Some believe it's connected to obesity or certain hormonal changes. But in reality, the cause is something else. The true reason is chronic tension in certain facial muscles. There are many facial muscles responsible for expressions. You can see the facial muscles involved in the formation of the nasolabial fold highlighted in blue. Look at how many there are. And if you've noticed, the nasolabial fold always appears at the sides of the nose. That is, it appears in this area, and then it goes down, and can even form jowls and a displeased expression lower on the face. When the muscle contracts, the skin simply starts to fold up like an accordion. And it's precisely because of this that a crease forms, which then becomes more pronounced with age. So, if you keep creasing your skin in the same spot hundreds or thousands of times over days, months, or years, the skin will form a wrinkle, a deep wrinkle, and a fold will appear. And first and foremost, to prevent the nasolabial fold from forming, you need to relax your facial muscles. But why, exactly, can they become tense in the first place? Well, first of all, tension in the facial skull. If there is any tension in the skull, can create tension in the muscles. Plus, our facial expressions convey emotions, and any emotions, especially those related to disgust, aversion, or dissatisfaction, lead to these muscles being in a state of chronic tension. So, it's like having a perpetually dissatisfied face. And this could even be a hidden emotion that a person is suppressing inside. They might look relaxed and kind on the outside, but deep down, there's something they don't like. This constant aversion to something can cause these muscles to shorten and lead to creases. And the next reason that can make this worse is swelling. There is fatty tissue located between these muscles. This fatty tissue contains a lot of blood vessels and lymphatic vessels, and fluid can accumulate there. If you are prone to swelling, combined with muscle tension, this will speed up the appearance of folds and other wrinkles even more. Swelling really accelerates this process. What should you do about this? First, you need to get a diagnosis and see whether you actually have tension in these muscles or not. Let me show you a simple test to see if you're at risk of developing a nasolabial fold. Take your thumbs and place them under your upper lip, right under the wing of your nose. Place them right here. There will be a little hollow. Put them under the wing of your nose and take a look. First, check the mobility of the nasal wing. Normally, the wing of your nose should be mobile. See, my nasal wing moves easily. That means I have plenty of free space here. This indicates that everything here is relaxed. Second, you should press under the wing of your nose. Check if there is any discomfort or pain there. If you notice that your nasal wing doesn't move and you feel discomfort or pain, and the wing seems stuck to the bone, this means the muscles there are very tense, and they're forming the nasolabial fold. And you need to start working on this as soon as possible. Friends, I'm going to show you one of the most effective exercises for dealing with nasolabial folds, but there are others that address the root cause of the problem. So if you want to eliminate the root cause, not just the symptoms, you're welcome to join my rejuvenation course. If you've found tension under the wings of your nose, it means these muscles are extremely overstrained and are keeping the skin tight. So place your thumb under the wings of your nose and start making circular motions. In other words, you begin to massage the area. You can even add a gentle vibration. And try to knead in gradually, little by little, as if you're peeling the wing of the nose away from the bone. If you do this exercise regularly, massaging this area while gently and carefully trying to lift the wing of the nose away from the bone, you'll notice that your nasolabial fold will start to smooth out. As a second step, I recommend simply doing a lymphatic drainage facial massage on a regular basis. And starting from the nose and mouth, move the fluid toward the ears, following the lines of lymphatic drainage from the center to the periphery, toward the ears. Then, when the swelling goes down and this area relaxes, the skin will start to smooth out. If you do this exercise every day, I guarantee that your nasolabial fold will completely disappear or significantly diminish. This has already been proven with many of my students, so go ahead and try it, and please share your results in the comments. How do you like the technique? What do you feel? And do you see immediate results after doing it? This was Dr. Alish with you, and see you next time.